All right, say hello, Ayden.
Hello.
So what are we going to be doing?
I don't know.
You don't know? What did I tell you we're going to do?
You didn't tell me anything. You said we were going to do a science project.
We are. So we have, let's see what we have. We have vegetable oil, just plain vegetable oil. Water. Original alkaseltzer. And food coloring. And of course some containers. You can use jars, you can use glasses, you can use plastic bottles. And then of course the most important item, Ayden.
The mess maker.
And the dogs. He says he's the mess maker, but he's not allowed to make a mess doing this. If he pays attention, there won't be a mess. See, it's very simple. It's something you can do with your children. And I actually have been waiting for the time and the opportunity to do this with my son. Hello to everybody. Hello. I've had Jeremy get me all this stuff like a week or so ago, and I've just been waiting for the time. So what we want to do is we want to fill the containers up with 1/4 water, 3/4 oil. So let's begin. Ayden, don't worry about the phone. I don't know if we're going to need the measuring cups, so
What do you mean?
we're going to start with one container here.
You don't know how much is it.
Okay, Ayden, I want you to put that much water in that jar. Here, we'll put them next to each other. Here's the water. This one I'm going to do later just to see how small of a container you can do it in without causing a huge problem. You might need to add a little more to this one, and then that's it. A little more. All right. Now, here, I'll take that, get it out of the way. Now, what we want to do is add oil to about there, because we want to leave enough space at the top. So, are you seeing where I'm pointing?
Yeah.
All right, this is a bit heavy, so why don't I empty some of it into this measuring cup first, because I don't want you to drop it.
I don't want you to drop it.
I won't drop it. It's all right. Do it slowly. So, about there. You got it? Slowly. And you're good. That's enough. All right. Now, we will do the same for the next one. Make sure it's to the same spot. Slow. If you get to the full point and there's still oil in the measuring cup, just leave it in the measuring cup. We don't have to empty it. Let's see. Perfect. All right. Now, what we want to do is, if you get oil on you, go ahead and wipe it off. What we want to do now is we want to wait a moment for the oil and the water to completely separate, because as we all know, oil and water does not mix. So as you can see, this one's already
Different
just about
densities.
done. That's right. So there we go. And they do it rather quickly. There we go. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick a color.
Red.
You want red? All right. Now, this can be messy, so make sure you listen. Those of you watching this, if you have small children that you want to do this with, make sure you supervise. Regular food coloring. You're going to take the top off very carefully, and then you want to slowly add 15 to 20 drops, okay?
Which one?
Whichever one you want to be yours. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's enough. All right. Now, I think I'm going to choose blue.
Why isn't that little particle going on?
It will.
You sure?
All right. Do mine. Count them out.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good. Now, the next step is the alkaseltzer.
See that?
So what we want to do is we want to take our alkaseltzer. You have your package. There's 2 tablets in a package. No. And we want to break it up and put it in there in pieces. So I'm going to break it into quarters here. Actually, we could probably break it into a little more than that. All right, Ayden. And now, slowly, you'll add a piece to yours. Slowly.
Yeah, always. Also.
Yep, just slowly. Just wait. And drop it. And just wait. And do the other one. And try to make them different spots. There you go.
We'll put it in again.
See? I'm going to zoom it in there. Look at that. You see what it's doing over here?
Yeah. See?
See that? There you go. Let's see what the blue one does.
Well, it's probably gonna make it darker than that.
It might, huh? Alright, here we go.
Don't things gonna work on mine?
It's working. It's just working a little slowly. Oh, did I splash? I'm sorry. And we can even add more alka-seltzer if we want. Do you want to see what it's like if you add like half?
I want to see what we do when I put like 3.
No. You're going to put the whole thing in? Alright. See what it does. Oh, look at mine. Woo! It's going. Oh, wow.
Let's see what happens when I put 2 in.
Ooh, be careful. I don't want you to make a mess. Let's see about doing it in a cup.
Ooh, I wouldn't do that.
We'll see.
Oh, you should do it under a paper towel.
Yeah, I'm not going to let it overflow.
Okay.
That's why we make sure we leave space. Look at him go. Woo, yours is really going. Don't use too much. We have a whole box of alka-seltzer here. You're gonna end up going to, no, don't you dare. I don't even have my food coloring in there. Let's do green. I wonder what would happen if I did blue and red. Do you think it would do purple?
Maybe.
Let's find out. Let's see. Since it's a purple glass. All right, slow down. Slow down. Let's do 1, 2, 3,
10.
4, 5.
What about 10?
No, it's a much smaller cup.
Are you trying to see how you found some?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's see what happens.
Fountain.
All right, let's see. Ooh, look at that blue going.
I guess Fountain wants to say hi.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Look at the difference.
Yeah.
I think the difference is
It's missing.
we added the food coloring was still bubbles, or were still little round bubbles when we put the alka-seltzer in, as opposed to those had kind of blended a little bit. But look at it go. Wow, look at that cup.
Yeah, it looks cleaner than the others.
Mm-hmm. Look, it's like doing a little tornado in there. You see that? So this alka-seltzer was purchased for this project, so I am perfectly fine with you enjoying it for this project. But keep in mind that once it's gone, it's gone.
Can
There is no more.
I empty it?
Empty it. What do you mean empty it?
Like, pour it out and put more in?
No, because once the alka-seltzer's gone, it's gone.
No. Put a different color in.
Well, you could get another jar, and we could do another color if you want. But only one more.
One jar or one entire packet of jars?
No. You can do green, and then we're done. All right?
I mean,
Or yellow, but yellow I don't think will show up. And I do think it does look a little purplish, but not too much. I think we've lost most of our red. Let's show everybody what it looks like from the top. And you can hear them fizzing. All right, hold on. Do you remember where to? Let's see. Let's move the blue over. Very slowly. And I'll tell you when. When?
Yeah, a little bit more.
That looks about right. All right. Do a tiny dab. That's good. No more. No.
Yeah.
All right. I think that's light enough now.
Really? I don't know what I missed.
Slow.
I think the problem is it's dropping from so high. It separates.
And stop.
I think the problem is it's falling from a high height.
No, I'm sure that's not it. I think there is a difference between how big and small the object is.
Let's wait for that to clear out.
All right. I just put one in each of those, so. No, I just put one. Don't you dare, because if they overflow, you will be getting in big trouble. So no. No, you can put half of one, but not a full one in there, please. And what people do is they put a lid on these and they leave them like that, and they'll put like a light behind them. And anytime they want to get them going again, they'll put another Alka-Seltzer in, and they call it a DIY lava lamp. It's not a real lava lamp. I grew up with lava lamps, but nonetheless, it's a cool little project.
When they look nice.
Okay, put your food coloring in. Let's try to do it quicker so that you still have the dots, the bubbles when you put your Alka-Seltzer in. No, just green. I want to see what just green looks like. Let's see what just green does. So it's green and red is ugly. All right. Oh, it's all in one spot. Oh, pieces. Do halves. There you go. All right, let's see what green does. I hope it's pretty.
Nope. Oh, man.
Not too fast, not too much. It's starting. It takes a second. Look at it go. That's pretty.
Aw, now it looks like it's just a big mess.
I know. It's starting to goop.
These two aren't yet.
No, this is a smaller amount though. Oh.
Oh wow, that is... You want to get another one and try all three of these?
No.
Patton, you can't eat this.
No. That green is really pretty.
I think red's prettier.
You think so? I think the green came out prettier. I don't know why some of our Alka-Seltzer's sitting on the top there though.
Oh, it's not really working.
It's working. I just think that sometimes they take a little bit more time.
Here you go.
It's basing itself off of a chemical reaction from a product.
There you go. It's time to look.
Mm-hmm.
Give me another packet.
Give
me another packet, please.
I think it's doing well. Did you enjoy this project?
I have one more thing left to do.
Well, dinner's ready, so...
Before we go, I'm going to try something. Give me another packet.
You're not putting a whole bunch in one at the same time. As much as you want to, no. Maybe another time.
3.
2, and that's the most you can put in there. And let's save the rest of these to do another one later, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 14. Yeah, we'll save them because it's dinner time. All right, Ayden. So tell everybody what you learned and what you did. Come on. What did you do and what did you learn?
This is not a real lava lamp.
True, it's not a real lava lamp.
It's like a soda.
Sort of, yes. It's definitely like a carbonated beverage.
Especially when you put 3 of them in.
Well, that's the sodium bicarbonate in it. See, if you look at the back of it, it tells you what's in there, and the sodium bicarbonate is what does that. So, what else did you learn?
I should make a channel.
You should make a channel.
Yeah.
All right. Well, did you at least have fun doing it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
And tell everybody thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And say hi to Dad since he's off in the field.
Not field, he's shooting.
Right, in the field.
Bye.
You're not going to tell Dad hi?
Hi, Dad.
All right.